Now, a question that a lot of people are asking right now is what is causing the market to push up today, right? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you're all having an amazing start to your week. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. I'm up $36,000 on the day. We killed it during our live trading session. We played it safe, if anything, right? Because TQQQ is up nearly 10%. It's been trading above the moving average. It's been really trading above the EMA for the time that I was trading it. I reduced my position size very early on, and now it's just trading sideways. I wanted to talk to you guys about this trade that I'm about to take, and it's an SQQQ. So SQQQ goes up when the market sells off. Let me explain to you why. If we go on the 30-minute time frame, this is one thing that I talked about with our LPP team. We are doing the same thing over and over again. We are not trading above the previous resistance of $20 a share, right? After that CPI data report, the market sold off, and then it recovered. It hit a resistance right around 1950. We tried to push up, and then we sold off back on Friday. We found a support, right? Now we gapped right back up another 10%. Again, our job is on our green days, we prepare for our red days. On our red days, we prepare for our green days. The market is overbought enough that based off of recent patterns, it just wouldn't surprise me based off of recent lows, recent highs, recent lows, recent highs, that this is going to be a high, right? It's still very early on, right? So if you're trying to be a little bit more conservative and or play it safe, we are still trading above the moving average, so I would wait for confirmation on that to see if we do break below, and if we do break below that, then we can see a nice downside trend. But until then, as of right now, TQQQ is still bullish. It's still showing signs of somewhat higher highs. Higher lows. It's just not really making higher highs. And that's my biggest problem with this, where there's no more progression, at least not now, right? We're up nearly 10% on the day. The amount of times that TQQQ has gapped up 10% within a day, it normally doesn't surpass that or go much further beyond that. When asking the question, why is this happening? There's actual no fundamental reason other than there are some companies that did report earnings. For those that are unaware, earnings season is among us, meaning that there are a series of companies that are going to be reporting earnings. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date with the big tech companies and when they are set to report earnings. So all you need to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel. But as of right now, it's just, again, a market reaction based off of the overreaction that we got on Friday. There's a lot of selling pressure on Friday. The market could just not find a support. A lot of mistakes were made, right? But now the market recovered. Again, it's just making sure that you put yourself in a position that you can tolerate. I don't see there to be anything wrong with you choosing to hold anything that's bullish. Just make sure that you understand that things can get worse before they get better. So watch that position size in case we do break below the moving average. We could sell off, and especially for the day traders that are following me, if you're looking for the next play, that's essentially what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the break below the moving average. I want to see lower highs and lower lows below that moving average. And once we do, then I'm going to jump into SQQQ and make money as the market sells off. So I'm up $36,000 on the day. If we do break below the moving average, my goal is to try to see if I can hit $50,000. So make around $14,000 to $15,000 shorting the market with SQQ if and only if we break below the moving average, right? So I need to wait for confirmation, especially after some of the mistakes that I made on Friday. I'm not trying to make those same mistakes once again. And again, that's the whole point of trading, right? It's not thinking that you're going to be perfect every time, but just learning from your mistakes and making sure that you try not to make them over and over again, right? So I really do appreciate you guys' time. If you guys have any questions about what's going on, and or if you're absolutely new to the stock market, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description of this video. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live, again, my Learn Plan Profit group is the only group that gets to watch me trade live every single morning right at market open. And if you think that would be of value for you, then again, make sure you click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and to see if it's a good fit for you. And right now we are running a nice little sale, so make sure that you take advantage of it if you are ready to join our team. And the last thing is, what platform am I using? I'm using the Webull trading platform. It's free to use, and it's the fifth link in the description of this video. Everything is provided for you in the description of this video. I will never reach out to you outside of this. All my accounts are verified on Instagram and on YouTube. All the other accounts that personally or that individually reach out to you, I can guarantee you they are fake. I will never reach out to you first. If you message me on Discord, if you message me on Instagram, if you message me on YouTube, that's one thing. But I will never reach out to you first. If you get an account that, excuse me, if you get an account that messages you and that tells you to message them on WhatsApp or Telegram, I can guarantee you it's fake. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.